Hi, we have studied about the nth term of AP, the first term, the last term, what were the terms of an AP. Now the next topic is sum of first n terms of an AP. See, we have studied that the terms were A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on till A plus n minus 1 into D. So what do you mean by sum? Sum means the addition of all the terms. So what I'll do is I'll sum up all the terms over here. This is our first equation. If I rewrite this equation, so on rewriting in reverse order, if I rewriting the terms in reverse order, what I'll get is A plus n minus 1 into D, A plus n minus 2 into D, plus so on A plus D and A. This is a term, this is a term. So add these two equations. So S plus S is 2S. A plus n minus 1 into D is 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Here this term and this term. A plus A is 2A. N minus 2D plus D is n minus 1 into D. Plus 2A plus n minus 1 into D and so on 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This is written n times because n terms are there. So if I multiply it by n, then the same value will come. So n into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So I can rewrite it as S2S is equals to n 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So S is equals to n by 2 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is a formula for sum of first n terms. See, 2A can be written as A plus n minus 1 into D. And we have studied, so A plus n minus 1 into D is nth term. So I can also rewrite it as n by 2 A plus an. An is the last term, so n by 2 A plus L. So Sn is equals to n by 2 A plus L. So I'll solve some examples. Find the sum of first 22 terms. See, the series is 8, 3, minus 2 and so on. So A is 8, D is 3 minus 8 is minus 5. Sum of first 22 terms, that means n by 2 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So 22 upon 2, 2 into A is 16 plus n is 22, so 21 into minus 5. What I'll get is 11, 16 minus 105. So 11 into minus 9, it will become, so minus 89, and this will come out to be 17 minus 9, 79. Next we have is if sum of first 14 terms is 1050, that means S14 is equals to 14 upon 2, 2A plus 14 minus 1 into D is equals to 1050. First term is 10, that means A is 10. So 20 plus 13, D is equals to 1050. So here it is in multiply, there it will go and become divide. So 150, 13, D is equals to 150 minus 20 is 130, therefore D is equals to 10. We have to find the 20th term, A 20, 19D. So A is 10 into 190, which is 200. It is 200. How many terms of AP must be taken so that the sum is 78? So Sn is equals to n by 2. 2 into A plus n minus 1 into D. Here D is 21 minus 24, which is minus 3. So this will go and become multiply. 156 is equals to n 48 minus 3n plus 3. So open the brackets. 48 plus 3 is 51 minus 3n. So 156 is equals to 51n minus 3n square. So 3n square minus 51n plus 156 is equals to 0. Take 3 common, so n square minus 17n plus 52 is equals to 0. So now we have to factorize it by any of the method. So I'll do by splitting the middle term. So n square minus 4n minus 13n plus 52 is equals to 0. N common, minus 13, n minus 4. Therefore n minus 4, n minus 13 is equals to 0. N is equals to 4 or 13. Both cases can be accepted. Therefore number of terms are 4 or 13. Next, find the sum of first 1000 terms. So 5000 positive integers, that means 1, 2, dash 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 till 1000. So sum is 1000 upon 2, n upon 2, a plus l. So 1 plus 1000. That means 500 into 1001, which is equivalent to 500, 500. This is your answer. I have used the formula n by 2 a plus l. Next, sum of first n positive integers, that means 1, 2, dash 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 till n. So Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus l. So a formula for sum of first n positive integers is n by 2 n plus 1. Find the sum of first 24 terms whose nth term is an is equals to 3 plus 2n. See, now we have to find the terms. So first term will come out to be 3 plus 2 is 5. Second term, 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. Third term, 6 plus 3 is 10. A4, 3 plus 2 into 4, 8. 4 to the 8, 9, 10, 11. See, I have made any mistake. Sorry, this is 9. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So we have to find the sum of first 24 terms. So n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is 24 upon 2. 2 into 5 is 10. 24 minus 1. See, d here is 7 minus 5 is 2. So 12, 10 plus 23 into 2 is 46. So 12 into 56, which is equivalent to, now solve, 12 into 56 is 672. So this is our answer. Next, a manufacturer of TV sets produced 600 sets in the third year. That means A3 is equals to 600. A3 means A plus n minus 1 into D is 600. So a plus 3 minus 1 is 2d is 600. This becomes our first equation. And in the 7th year is 700. That means a plus 7 minus 1 into d is 700, or a plus 6d is 700. Now subtract these two equations. I'll get 6d minus 2d is 4d is equals to 100. Therefore d is equals to 25. Substitute in equation 1. So A is equals to 550. Therefore production in the first year is 550 sets. First part. Second part, production in the 10th year, that means A plus 9D. So 550 plus 9 into 25, which is equivalent to 550 plus 225, which is 775 sets. Now total production in the first 7 years, that means S7, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into t. So 7 upon 2, 2 into a is 550, 2 into 550 plus 7 minus 1 is 6 into 25. 7 by 2, 1100 plus. So 7 upon 2 into 1250, which is 7 into 625, which is equal to 625 into 7 is 4375. So 4375 is the total production of sets. Thank you.